Hello everyone, I am Hemali Maniyar, Science Educator of Gajira International School, Katargam. Today we are going to see the good house and how we should keep it clean. The cleanliness of house. There is some tips how we should keep the house clean. Oh, we all live in our homes. Okay, our house are made up of different materials like bricks is there, cements, then steel, wood. Different type of materials are used to make our house. Okay, such as we are using a wood to make a doors and windows. Then we are using a bricks to say wall. Then we are using a glasses to make a windows. Okay, such type of different type of materials has been used to make a house. Okay, we should keep our house clean. Okay, why? Because we are living in the house and house protect us from wind, rain, heat and cold. Okay, and it keeps safe us from enemies also. Okay. When there is an outside, you will find the hot weather is there. When we are inside our house, we are feeling safe. Am I right? Means the house keep us safe. Okay, and we feel happy in the house. Got it, all of you? Now we will see a good house should have following features. There is an features are there of a good house. We will see one by one. First one is a good house should be spacious. Means you have to keep your things in a proper position. There should be a place for all things to be kept in an orderly manner. Okay, you have to, whatever things you are taking, you should keep that things in a proper place. Okay, after using that, you should keep that things in a proper places in a orderly manner. This means a house should be a spacious. Okay, then second is an window should be present in all the rooms to let plenty of sunlight. Okay, there should be windows should be there in all the rooms. Okay, why? Because sunlight is a natural disinfectant. Means it is a natural disinfectant to kill the germs. That's why the rooms should have a windows, okay, to come plenty of sunlight inside it. Got it, all of you? Now we will see that a house should be well ventilated. These allow us to breathe clean air. Means there should be air will goes out and in. Means you will get a fresh air. For that, a house should have a well ventilated. Okay, see in the picture you will find that the house is there and it is a well ventilated. The air is passing from in and out. You will find the fresh air is coming inside. This is a very necessary for us to breathe. Okay, it helps us to breathe a fresh air. Got it? Now next one is windows of the houses should be covered with wire mesh or netting. For what? Because if the wire mesh and the nettings are not there, the mosquitoes will come inside and it will bite and you will suffer from some diseases. So because of that, your house should be have an windows. That window should be a wire mesh or netting. It should be wire mesh or netting should be stick on the window to protect our house from insects such as flies and mosquitoes. Keep away from the house. Okay. Now next one is a good house should have proper drainage system in kitchen and bathroom. Means there should be a proper drainage system. Why it is necessary? To remove the waste water from the house. There is an wash basin is there, then bathroom is there or kitchen is there. These all places have a well drainage system. To remove the smoke from kitchen, to remove the smoke and from bathroom, you will find to remove the fur odor. Okay, for that there should be needed a proper drainage system in our house. Okay, all of you got it? We had seen that A good house should contain a proper drainage system. Then there should be a well ventilated. The windows should be present in all the rooms. Okay, and you have to keep your things in a proper order. All of you got it? Now we will see the cleanliness in house. How we should keep our house clean. Okay, to keep our house clean, we have to follow some tips that be kept in the mind while cleaning the house. Okay, to clean our house or to make our house clean and tidy, we should follow some tips. Okay, that we will see. First one is all things in the house must be dusted regularly by using a disinfectant. Means you will see in the picture there is an disinfectant is used for the means remove the dust from the places. Means a floor is there, then you will find the basin is there, whatever is there, that you should use a disinfectant. Means to kill the germs. Okay, to kill the germs, we should use some disinfectant that should be used to clean the floor, tiles, whatever. Okay. Now, garbage should be thrown into the dustbin or garbage bin. Okay, this you have to follow regularly, or you have to follow this. Why? To keep our surrounding clean. What we have to do? Whatever waste we are finding, that waste should be thrown in a dustbin or in a garbage bin. Means garbage bin and dustbin should be kept covered, and the one thing is the garbage bin and dustbin should be kept covered. This will prevent breeding of flies and mosquitoes over them. If you will keep it covered, then what will happen? The mosquitoes and the flies will not sit on that, and you will then not get any disease. For that, you should have to keep your dustbin or garbage bin should be covered. Okay, understood all of you? There is two bins you have to keep. One is dry and other one is waste bin. Let's see one by one. There should be always have separate wet and dry waste bins. First one, dry waste. Dry waste means, what is the dry waste? Dry waste means like a plastic bottle, then polythenes are there, then you will find the glasses are there, these all metals are there, these all are known as dry waste. You should have to throw this type of waste in a dry waste bin. Okay, then second one is wet waste. Wet waste means the vegetables and fruit peels are there, then you will see the tea leaves are there, after that you will find the leftover food are there, eggshell are there. These all are known as wet leaves, which are wet. Okay, that should be thrown in another dustbin. Means in short, what you understood, that we should have two dustbins in our home. That one, first one is dry waste and second one is wet waste. The dry thing should be thrown in a dry waste, and wet things like vegetable peels, coconut shell, eggshell, the tea leaves, this should be thrown in a wet waste. Okay, then next one is bedsheet and curtain must be washed regularly. Carpet, sofa and curtains can be kept dust free by using vacuum cleaner. Means you have to dust your house in a regular basis. In your house, curtains are there, then bed sheets are there, sofa, these all things should be dusted regularly with the help of vacuum cleaner to remove the dust. Okay, to remove the dust, you have to use a vacuum cleaner, and the house should be dusted in a regular basis to keep our house clean and free from the germs. Okay, got it all of you? And the last one is air freshener can be used to keep the air clean and fresh. You should use a air freshener spray in a regular basis to keep our house clean and fresh and free from the odor smell. Okay, from the smell you have to keep it free, and you need to breathe a fresh air. For that you have to use a air freshener. Okay. Now we will see what we had seen. We had seen the good house. What is the good house? In good house, we had seen the proper drainage system should be there. The windows should be present in all the rooms. Then the windows should be well ventilated. The house should be well ventilated and the windows have a wire mesh or netting. Got it? And to keep our house clean, we had seen that there should be two bins should be present in our house, that you have to keep, that is a wet bin and a dry bin. Okay, and you have to clean your house in a regular basis. You have to dust it properly. You have to keep yourself and your family free from the germs and from the diseases. Okay, got it all of you? What we had seen today? Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.